Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Bitcoin in the UK. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You will get on this site called Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the best platforms, I believe. I'm using it for years right now. And when you're gonna go through the link, you're gonna get $10, like £10 completely for free. And you just have to invest and buy $100 of whatever cryptocurrency, that's Bitcoin. So what you can do is this. When you're going to be in Coinbase, I just want to show you the whole process. You just click here on a view asset. Now you're going to see on top right Bitcoin, and you can buy up to 3,000 euro right now, one-time purchase, or you can buy multiple ones. Buy Bitcoin, pay with. You can make it also every day. Pay with a bank account, or I'm going to choose the wallet here. I can click 100 euro and preview buy, and you see right here your wallet, price, purchase, Coinbase fee, which is really low, and total. Now when you're gonna buy it, what you can do is to actually sell it. So I can go to portfolio. Let's say that I can sell it too, and then I would go to portfolio. I would have the asset as a euro, and you can simply withdraw the money. And you can see that I was withdrawing right here 1,000, 100, continue. And now I can simply withdraw. And this is pretty much it. So this is how it works, and this is how you can buy Bitcoin in the UK. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.